Mayeni said Musamseleku doesn't respect her like his wife. She came on that marriage to bear kids to him. Musamseleku treat her like a baby mama. Mayeni is the reason why Musamseleku treat her like a baby mama. Mayeni was supposed to be Musamseleku's first wife. Musamseleku all the time when he want to plan things, he can tell Mayeni first because Mayeni was the first person dating Musamseleku. But Mayeni didn't agree for the first time to be Musamseleku's first wife because Musamseleku told Mayeni that I want to have polygamy. And her father didn't agree with Musamseleku's decision. So Mayeni and Musamseleku got separated. Musamseleku decided to marry Mayeni again. At that time, there is Macele and Masaule. So Mayeni came as the wife number 3. Musamseleku, why he decided to take Mayeni again? Musamseleku wants to have 20 kids. So he decided that if he can talk to Mayeni, because Mayeni, she can't be the wife number 1, because Mayeni doesn't understand. Musamseleku know Mayeni before they got married because they dated for a long time. Mayeni, she can't understand like other wives like Makumalo and Macele. Mayeni and Mangwabe, they don't understand very easy. Musamseleku, he knows that when he want to plan things with Mayeni and Mangwabe, that plan, it is not going anywhere because those people, they can't agree with everything Musamseleku's decision like Makumalo and Macele. And that's why Mayeni was very upset. If Mayeni, she was an understanding woman, or to Musamseleku ask her to do things and she can do without complaining, Mayeni, she was supposed to be Musamseleku's first wife because Musamseleku loved Mayeni. But the problem of Mayeni, she doesn't understand like Macele and Makumalo. That's why Mayeni was always complaining that why Musamseleku every time Musamseleku decide to hide about Amahle to plan their things with his son Mpumelelo and told Mayeni later. Sometimes you can't blame Musamseleku, guys. It's her fault sometimes because Mayeni, she can't understand at that time. That's why Musamseleku decide to keep quiet and doing their things on their own. They start again to blame Musamseleku. You are the problem. Why you don't tell me? Because I raised Mpumelelo alone. But she forgot that she was the one who started.